Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. So we're trying something a little bit different today. We're on a river, and we're going to try a bit of river fishing with the feeder method. So fingers crossed. But I've managed to find a stretch of river that's close to home, and there's been a few hints that there is some decent fish in here, and possibly a catfish as well. So hopefully we're in for a good day. Method is like always 12-pound line, fluorocarbon, coated mono. So yeah, let's crack on. Well, weather's changed a bit, hasn't it? It's only been here a couple hours. It's not had a single bite yet. I'm the only one here. There was a lad that was here overnight last night, and he said he caught quite a few during the darker periods. So I may or may not be staying for that length of period, but we shall see. I've seen loads of fish topping. Could be little ones, could be big ones, who knows. Can't really see anything on surface, even with my Polaroids on. So I think they might be all moving down to the stream. I think mainly there's a corner further down. I didn't really have a good look at that, but if there is some opening on the banking, I think next time when I come down here, I'll try that, following the stream, and hopefully with that being on the corner, it might land me a fish. Seeing as though if there's a few people here with a bit of bait, it'll all drift down, and it might be a nice little hub where they all are. I mean, this is my first time river fishing, so we'll take this as a learning session of what to do next time. Definitely going to have to do some more research, should I say, on this type of fishing, because I don't think they're after coarse feed. I have to go down the natural route with the old worms and maggots. But we'll plod on, persevere. You never know. I've still got how many hours? Yeah, at least another 2-3 hours left before the sun will start to set. But you can't beat the great outdoors, though. Well, that's it, everyone. The first session of trying out river fishing has been a blank. Not surprised, to be fair. New territory for me, so not really clued up with what to do and all that. But that's not going to deter me. I'm definitely going to be coming back here, and we're going to have a little retouch, of what we're going to do next time. Like I said, I think the natural route might be the way forward. Some maggots, worms, probably some more of a fishy based ground bait to lure them in. But either way, it's not been a bad day. I've definitely enjoyed the great outdoors as usual. Weather's definitely changed, so that cheered me up a little bit, because I expected some rain today, so I did dress for the colder weather. But hey, that's what happens with fishing. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. But either way, I hope you enjoyed the first attempt at river fishing, and I hope you stick around for the next episode where we re-look at this and probably go at it a bit differently. But as always, tight lines. I'll catch you in the next one.